Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an honest, comprehensive review of Sintra AI, a platform designed to function as an all-in-one digital workforce for freelancers and small businesses. Instead of dealing with generic prompt engineering or juggling multiple expensive subscriptions like copywriting software and social media planners, Sintra packages its entire ecosystem into 12 pre-configured, job-specific AI personas. These specialized helpers, ranging from an email outreach assistant to an expert SEO manager, rely on a shared brain layer that stores your brand voice, audience data, and exact niche context permanently, ensuring every output remains highly personalized and consistent across tasks without you ever repasting your data. However, before you spend your hard-earned capital, you must understand a major operational limitation regarding how the system operates. Despite marketing themselves as autonomous employees, these bots do not act on their own. They cannot natively schedule social media posts, sync directly with top customer management platforms, or reply to emails without human intervention at every step. Additionally, the entry-level plan caps your monthly usage at 250 credits, which power users running multiple marketing operations can easily burn through well before the monthly reset, forcing you into opaque credit top-ups. Ultimately, if you are a non-technical founder looking for an efficient, prompt-free team of specialized writing assistants to supercharge your content drafting workflow, Sintra AI delivers immense practical utility. But if you are actively hunting for a fully automated, hands-off execution engine that runs your business tasks silently in the background, you will definitely want to look elsewhere. Subscribe the channel for more videos.